About me, I'm the CEO at Arcana. We're building a privacy and a security stack for decentralized applications. So just think of us like an AWS kind of a provider, but completely providing decentralized services or powered by a blockchain, essentially. We grew quite fast in the last few months. So from about 7 to 8 member team in June, July, we grew to about 20 now. And we've been hiring quite aggressively across the country, across the globe. So it became evident for us that we should start engaging our team more, do some kind of team building exercises, build the rapport within the team. Because most of our team is remote, we don't sit in an office. So we just wanted to know that because they work in silos, we thought, if people are doing some kind of good work, some kind of creative work, the team members can give a quick kudos, shout out, and everybody get to know. So it's essentially for recognition. Just the fact that they're using it and giving kudos on a regular basis, I think that's just a good sign that people are using this as a way to appreciate and put forth points. I think it just helps, if there's a specific channel where people are giving kudos, there's a leaderboard, things like that. So at the end of the month, people know what has happened, who's worked, who's done something interesting, and they can always just recall and get to know more about it. So it's just from that perspective, it's just good to have like one mechanism for it instead of getting recognitions over calls or some chat or meetings, etc.